to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lola, and if you like it here, please subscribe. Today we've got a half wig from BGMGIRL Hair. This is their Afro Curly Halfwig in 20 inches and 250% density. Guys, this hair is thick. I wanted to show you what it looks like without product, but my camera was blurry when I was recording that. So now I'm going to put the product in, but I'm going to do this in sections. So first I'm just brushing out the hair until it's smooth. The more sections you do, the more defined your curls will be. So once I'm happy with how much I brushed it out, I'm going to now spray my water and conditioner mix, and I'm going to brush that through so that it covers every strand. Now I'm using my favorite conditioner to use, and I say favorite because it smells really nice. So I'm being quite generous with the product, smothering that on, and then I'm going to brush that through as well so that it gets to every strand. Take your time with this. The more effort you put in now, the better the result. And then my final product I'm using is my Eco Styler gel. As you can see, I always brush after I put in the product. Again, this is to make sure that every strand is coated. And then after I put my Eco Styler in, I start making some finger coils. And I just repeat this throughout my hair, each section doing the exact same process. So as I record this voiceover, I've had this hair in for 2 days, and I do really like it. Even without the product, the hair was so soft and so thick. Like, there is so much hair in this wig. The only con that I'd have to say about this hair is, and this may just be because I'm used to crochet hair, but I do find that this hair does shed a little bit. Like, I don't see it as a major thing because there is so much hair in the wig anyway, but I do notice some shedding. But again, I could just be really used to crochet hair, which doesn't shed because it's already separated. Anyway, so now I'm done with styling my hair. You can see that really brought out the curls. And like I said, take your time doing this. I think I spent around 40 minutes just styling the hair alone. But it's good because once you do this one time, you're good for like a week. So now whilst it's wet, I'm gonna start cutting. And how I'm cutting is, I'm gonna take like the top section from both sides of like a middle part, and then I'm gonna bring it to the front to let them join together, and then I'm just gonna cut downwards, and then this should make it sort of equal on both sides. Oh, and because it's wet, I'm gonna cut a bit longer than I would do if it was dry, because it's gonna dry and then get shorter. So I'm cutting a little bit longer than I think I should. So I've cut the top section now. I'm gonna clip that away and then create another section, sort of go to like the next layer, and do the exact same thing. And with each section, I'm doing like the front side and then the back side. So I grab hair from the front of that layer and then also grab hair from the back of that same layer. I think I did about 4 or 5 layers. And with each layer, I cut more lower down because of course we're getting that layered effect. And I don't touch the very bottom layer. I leave that to keep some of the length. Now, of course, this didn't go perfectly, so I'm going to edit it a little bit. So wherever I see that it's not really like a nice staggered layer sort of thing, I'm just going to cut a piece. And then I'm going to re-finger coil some of the ends. And now it's time to dry with my diffuser. And I'm using it on medium speed and medium heat. I start at the roots first, and then I position the diffuser upwards and do it section by section. So I just grab a section, place it on the diffuser, and keep it upwards as it dries in my hair. Now it's about 90% dry, and I'm gonna go in with my Afro pick to bring out the curls. Sorry, I mean to make the volume bigger. So I start off by brushing out or combing out the roots. And not really combing out, just more so combing. This just makes the hair bigger. And then I go more towards the ends, stretching that out. Just trying to make it as big as possible. So here you can see the difference between the side I just did and after before. So I just keep going, making it as big as possible, and this is really like the final step. So now I'm gonna dry the remaining parts that were still a bit damp. So now the curls are beautifully defined. I love how gorgeous they look, and it's nice and big, and it's only gonna get bigger day by day, which I love. You guys know how much I was loving the kinky curly. Now this is Afro Curly, and I knew it would be similar. So before I finish, I'm gonna do my edges and my leave out. I'm using the purple gummy wax for my edges. So right now I'm just combing that out. And for my leave out, I'm using the Neat Braid Conditioning and Shining Gel. And I think this is the only gel I've ever used that doesn't make or doesn't turn my hair white after some time, or even no matter how much product I put on it, this doesn't turn white. I couldn't find it in my local hair shop, but I did find it on Amazon, so you can see it in my Amazon storefront. The last thing to do is my edges, and I'm done. This hair is so beautiful, and I was also able to style it like a half up, half down. You see how thick she is back there? Yeah, there's so much hair. So I have all the details below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of this hair. Oh, and guys, thank you so much for nearly getting me to 3K. We're almost there, so please subscribe if you like it here. On the road to 3,000 subscribers. I will see you guys in my next video. See you later.